Miss G. I know, I already know you personally because you sat for the class, the workshop, and I just want you to let everyone know what is your name and what is your experience in the field of phlebotomy.
Okay, my name is Gary Nisha, and I have been a phlebotomist for 5 years.
Okay. What do you think about the phlebotomy instructor workshop?
I think it was real nice. I think that we learned so much. It taught me a lot of different things. The instructors are awesome, um, and it was real informative.
Okay. And what city and state did you sit for the workshop? What city?
Um, Picayune, Mississippi.
All right. Did you learn anything? Give me one thing that stuck out to you within this time that you have been in the phlebotomy workshop over these 5 days.
Okay, so I did learn the different types of students that I would deal with. I learned the proper way to deal with the different type of students, should I say. I also learned how to be firm. I also learned how to be focused and to, stay on track when dealing with different types of students. Um, I've learned the different things as far as um, how to prepare a syllabus. I learned how to prepare my lesson plan. So all the different things that you would see when you're in an actual classroom setting, I did learn. And I didn't have no knowledge of that before coming. So I learned a lot within 5 days.
Okay,
Yeah,
that is wonderful. Would you would you suggest others to take this workshop? Do you think that they can benefit from it?
definitely, definitely. I feel like I've accomplished so much in 5 days. So definitely, I would say to reach out and figure out how you can get in a program that's closer to your home and get registered and get on it, because I mean I feel like I woke up Monday and now today is Friday and it's over. So it was really good. It was really fun and I learned a lot.
Thank you so much.
No problem.